Hello guys, and today we're going to play some quizzes because I have like nothing to do. I'm sorry. Okay, so let's play. How well do you know XXXTENTACION since he died recently? I even did a video about it. Okay, if you want to check it, I'll put the link in the description. Alright, now let's go. What is XXXTENTACION's real name? Just say on foot. Next question. What's his first song? A lot of you will say, "Look at Me," but it's actually Vine City. Get that correct. And said it will. What rapper did he accuse of copying his music? I don't know this one actually. Drake? I guess I had a few, so do you like his music? Maybe. Okay, I didn't love the "Look at Me" single, but I like his other music, so I'll go with a maybe. Okay, what was the name of the hashtag he started to help others? Hashtag the Helping Hand Challenge. What group of rappers unfairly jumped him outside of the hotel when he was leaving? Migos. I want to go with this one will work with you. When he was born. January 23rd. I think that's correct. Yeah. January 23rd, 1980. What is his mother's name? How the heck should I know? Charlotte Quincy. Okay, what's his father's name? Darwin Ricardo Onford. So I saw his newest video. And him. How many siblings does he have? 2? I think that he has a sister. Yeah. When he was born, Pompano Beach, Florida, I guess. Well, that's incorrect. Where did he post his first song to? SoundCloud. What did you thought? That's what rappers do. What was his father present for most of his childhood? No, he went to jail. His mother was. I know that one. What's his sign? Lego, Virgo, Aquarius. But thinking that he's Cancer, do you only know? Whoops. You only know "Look at Me"? No, I know other ones. Just only call it Vine City. Well, amazing! 12 after 15 questions. Okay, let's see. Yes, that was correct, of course. Yes. Oh, Drake, I was right. Like his music. Shut up! It's my opinion. Okay? Oh, the Migos. That was my second choice. Okay, correct. Damn it. Cleopatra Free. Yes. Woo! 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 Wow! Only like 3 incorrect. One does not even count. Yes, I love it. What the heck? No, wait. No, let's go back to Google. Okay, now let's go again. XXXTENTACION. Get his name up correct, please. Let's see. XXXTENTACION quizzes. Quarter. Okay, then we have. Are you a real fan? What are you at? I don't know. Oh, why do it's fan questions? Okay. Oh, here we are. Oh, I'm asked. Okay, his age 20. 20! 19! His biggest song. Close. No! You look at me? His best friend he made jail. Sky nice. She's celebrity. This celebrity stars for Let me check. A song that starts with X. XXX. What the heck? A song that I don't know. Which state was born in Florida? I know this one well. He has beef with it. Is that rap? Oh, rap. Oh, Savage? Maybe? I don't know. Maybe Denzel Curry. I don't have much time. Denzel Curry, I don't know. Another song starting with one. I don't know. Another song that includes T in the title. I don't know! His first ever song. Oh, Ryan City? What the heck? Look at me. What? His first. Yeah, that was his first ever song. What would he be if he was on album? I don't know. Year of the above us. 2014. Of course. And another profession if he. I don't know. I don't know, man. Give up? Yes. XX. Ah, yeah, Xanax. Oh, yeah, blew up something. One up on me, okay. Sipping tea. Buying C. Oh, buy CD, not buying. UFC fighter. Oh, and a football player. Oh, I did not know that. Are you a football player? I would have watched him. Okay. Which Florida rapper are you? Ooh, that's good. Okay, that's maybe the last one. It's Florida rapper. Oh. Let's begin. It's a quiz. Which of the following speaks to you? You on personal level. Games. Which of the following describes your ideal suit? Plain and simple. I love it. When you see a member of the opposite sex, what goes through your head? Girl, you look okay. That one. I pick the randomly. Which of the following describes your ideal night in playing guitar, live streaming? Oh, what time is it now? The night is a night. Trying reading, live streaming, or playing guitar. Let's go live streaming. Which slogan better describe you? I've been hitting the licks since elementary. Let's go with that. And which fictional character are you? Emily Rose, Kay Allure, Skylar, Naruto, because I like it. If you could get a cosine from one of the following, who would it be? Drake. Why not? Which emoji are you? Wave, skull, orange. So, use real words. Skull. Denzel Curry. Oh, he worked with XXXTENTACION. You're the ultimate. You find yourself drawn to anime and Star Wars, yet can still turn up with the best of them. You're creative as hell. No doubt skilled at rapping, writing, or drawing. You're all about that nostalgia and often reminisce on the days when 96 was pop. Oh. Okay, while you might not always be the biggest extrovert, that's hard, you enjoy the time you spend honing your craft. Okay, that's a nice one. Google. Our website. Alright, let's do one last, everybody, one last. So far, it's going well. Okay, I really love this one. And lastly, XXXTENTACION quiz. Oh no, that's just the German one. Okay, let's see. Would you be friends with XXXTENTACION? Probably. Are you male or female? Male. order. No, Melfi. Man. Would you rather rap pop or rap? I love it. I want a girl bad. I've had to at least heard 12 different girls that love me. Whatever. You like XXXTENTACION? Yes. Do you know where he's from? Yeah. You've ever let an X? No. Are you my friend? Yes, I can be your friend. Are you a good father? No. Made my hands. And I would. Okay. Too bad that he's dead. Rest in peace. And guys, before I end this video, why did I do the quizzes? Is because the criminal of XXXTENTACION, aka one of these killers, has been found, everybody. And you hear clapping, it's for me. Good job to the police of Florida. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you next time. Justice for XXX. Justice for X.